Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today I am bringing you guys this beautiful orange wig. If you guys want to see how I fix this wig up and the details about this hair, then just keep watching. Okay you guys, so today's wig is from ReadyWig. Y'all know they have this cute little pink and black box always when it comes to their wigs, and let's check out in the inside. Okay, so in the inside, wow, this is the one that came with everything. So I have two wig caps here, a white spray bottle, and some cute little luxury mink lashes. These things are fire. Let me take them out so y'all can see. These things are cute. Really, really bomb. Ooh, yes, girl. Y'all know I ain't wearing lashes in a minute. It's been a few videos and I have not had lashes on, so we about to use that. Then in the inside, we have hair care instructions. Very much needed, and their social media platforms. So y'all, this beautiful wig I have today is this little burnt orange wig. It's so beautiful. It goes so well with this green I have on too. Y'all know I did a orange human hair video recently where I did some watercolor, but this right here, this orange, oh my gosh. And she's full, baby. Playing no games, none at all. And of course, this wig has a pre-plucked hairline all the way across from ear to ear. And this is their 13 by 6. So you see that part that goes all the way back here. So a lot of parting, and that is 6 inches across right here. So that's how much parting space you have from the front to the back, but still you have pre-plucked sides. So if you guys want to do like a little sleek ponytail, you're good to go. And of course it comes with these baby hairs that you can trim or just push back. I don't know if I'm using baby hair today, but yeah. And I believe this hair is in 24 inches. And the lace is transparent. Looks like, yeah, it's transparent. So I might have to put some foundation powder on it, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this wig on, and we're gonna see what she looks like on my head, okay? Ooh, she is pretty. Look at that, y'all. This is pretty. So y'all can see on my head here the baby hair, and I love to show y'all this once I put the wigs on, how they can just go slick back behind the ear, just like that. On both sides, and back into a little ponytail. Then we're gonna get into the rest of the details about this wig. Okay guys, this is the finished look. So clearly their colored wigs are like bomb.com. But on to the details about this wig. This is the ReadyWig bright orange straight hair. the 13 by 6 lace front synthetic wig in 24 inches. This is definitely not bright, you guys. This is like, what you see right here is how it comes. It's like a burnt orange. So if you get this hair, you're gonna be slaying this long unit. And this wig retails for $58.99. But you guys, I have a coupon code and I will put it right here, as well as another coupon in the description box, so you guys go check it out. The website also has a couple of coupons going on right now. I did have to straighten the hair out just a little bit because it came with that little bump in the package. I had my flat iron on 370 and that was it. This wig is definitely big head friendly, and my head size is 23.5, so she fit me perfectly from ear to ear. Definitely big head friendly. You guys tell me what y'all think about this hair. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. You guys stay tuned because I will be posting a giveaway video right after this one and you don't want to miss it. So again, if you guys have not watched my other 2 videos before this on the ReadyWig wigs, definitely go check those out because it's going to be important that you guys watch those 2 videos. Bye you guys.